What's up, guys? Got a box of 2015 five-star baseball. This is for Michael Lewis, David's son. Best of luck to Michael. Actually, I think he did pretty well in that break earlier, David. Got a couple nice Indians hits. So let's see what he gets in his box. Good luck, buddy. Here we go. First off, Jose Perella, rookie auto. It's better than Didi. And here we go. Oh, beauty. Silver ink. 14 of 50, Javier Baez. Not bad. Not bad at all. Not bad. Congratulations, Mr. L. Way to go, Michael. And get that right out to you, buddy. Thanks a lot, man.